How to use Shopify for specialty tea. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to use Shopify for specialty tea. So without further ado, let's get started. So before we start, there will be a link down in the description below that will redirect you to a sign up page for Shopify and where you can get a 3-day free trial. And then after those 3 days, these 3 plans over here in Shopify, the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced plan will only cost you $1 per month instead of $19, $49, and $299. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So the big question is, why should you use Shopify for your specialty tea? Well, Shopify allows you to sell your products online and of course manage everything in one place. So it has features like analytics, discounts, and of course customizing your online store, just to name a few of its features. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to add our product. So to do that, just go to products over here and then just click on add product. And then after that, what you want to do is to just input the name of your product right here. So for example, I'll just add green tea. There you go. And then next is to add the description of your product, or you can just use Shopify's AI over here, which I'm going to use. So I'll just click on this, and after that I'll just input the name of the product over here, green tea, and then just click on generate, and then there you go. So you can either keep this or generate again. For me, I'll just keep this. Next is media. So in here, what you want to do is to just upload the image of your product. So for example, for green tea, I'll be using this image over here, so I'll just upload it right now, and then there you go. So you can also upload more images just by clicking on this. Next is category, so just input the category of your product over here, but usually Shopify does this automatically when you input the name of your product, the description, and of course the media. So Shopify will automatically set your category for you, but if it didn't, just input it right here. Next is pricing. So in here, you just input the price of your product right here. So for example, I'll set it to 500. There you go. You can also charge tax in this product, and you can also include the cost per item right here, so that Shopify can also calculate your profit and your margin. Next is inventory. So in here, you can track the quantity of your product, and also some settings right here like continue selling with out of stock, or if your product has an SKU or barcode. Next is shipping. So you can tick the box over here if your product is a physical product. So since we're selling tea, I will just tick this box. You can also add the weight of your product over here and add more customs information. Next is variants. So in here, you can add variants for your product. So to add variants, just click on this, and then you can add any variant you like. So Shopify has some pre-made variants right here that you can choose, or you can create your custom one right here. Next are category meta fields. So just input your category meta fields right here. You can just click them right here at the bottom. Next is search engine listing. So in here, this is what your product will look like if someone will search it online. And then at the very top over here is we have status. So in here, you can set the status of your product as active or draft. And the next is we have product organization. So in here, you can input the product type. So I'll just name it tea. There you go. Choose your vendor. You can also add this to your collections. For me, I'll just add it to my homepage. And then lastly, tags. So again, I'll just add green tea as a tag. There you go. Add green tea, and then there you go. So once you're done customizing your product, just simply click on save. And then after that, your product is now being created, and then there you go. So I'll be adding 2 more additional teas right here. So I'll be adding chamomile and oolong tea. So again, to add the product, just simply click on add product over here, and then just fill in the details again of your other products. And then there you go. So I added 2 more additional teas right here. So I added chamomile and oolong tea. So next, what we're going to do now is to customize our website. So to do that, just go to online store over here. And then after that, you can either use the default theme of Shopify for customizing your online store, which is Dawn, or you can use some of the themes right here at the bottom. So if you want to use some of these themes at the bottom, just click on add right here, and then that theme will now be applied to your online store. But if you want to explore more themes, just click on visit theme store over here, and then after that, you can choose the themes right here, and then the left side, you can also filter out the themes that you're going to use. But for me, I'll just use the default theme of Shopify over here, which is again Dawn. So I'll just click on customize, and after that, we'll be redirected here in the website editor for our online store. So what we're going to do first is to edit sections. So usually sections are covered around by these blue lines over here. You'll also get to see the name of that section right here in the top left. So this section that I'm hovering on is the image banner. So to edit a section, just simply click on that section, and then the right side, there will be some settings right here that you can customize, like adding images, changing the color scheme, or animations. So feel free to check this section out. But for me, I'll just add an image. So I'll just select image right here. And then after that, for example, I want to use this image over here that I uploaded. Click on done. And then after that, that image will now be applied to your banner. And there you go. Next is I'll also edit this text over here, like welcome to my specialty tea store. There you go. And then at the very bottom over here, you can also add sections. So to add a section, just click on add section over here in the left side under template, click on add section. And then after that, just choose the section that you want to choose from here. So you can choose feature, product, collage, email sign up, video, and a lot more. Feel free to choose what kind of section you want to add. For me, I'll just add featured product. And after that, I'll just select this section, select my product. So I'll just select my product over here. And then let's say I want to use or feature green tea over here, and then there you go. So if you want to edit the other pages of your store, just click on this button right here, and then from here you can now start customizing your products page, your cart and checkout page, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these pages out. So once you're done, just click on save, and then there you go, changes have been saved. So after that, we can now exit out of here. And then to view your store, just click on these three dots right here, click on preview, and then after that, you'll be redirected to your website. And then there you go. Next is we have analytics. So in here, you'll get to see a detailed view about the analytics of your website. So you'll get to see your total sales, total orders, average order value, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. Next is we have reports. So in here, you'll get to view all the reports related to your website, or you can create custom ones right here at the very top right. And then we have live view. So in here, you'll get to see a live view of your website. So you'll get to see how many visitors you have right now, total sessions, total sales, total orders, and a lot more. So feel free to view this section out. And then lastly, so we have discounts. So in here, you can create discounts for your product. So to create a discount, just click on add discount over here, and then just select your discount type. So you can choose amount off products, buy X get Y, amount of order, or free shipping. So feel free to choose what kind of discount type you want to use. For me, I'll just choose amount off order. And after that, what you want to do from here is to just select your method. So you can choose discount code or automatic discount. For me, I'll just choose discount code, and then just input your discount code over here, or you can generate a random one over here. For me, I'll just generate a random one, and then there you go. Next is discount value. So in here, you can set your discount value as percentage or fixed amount. For me, I'll just leave it at percentage and make it 5%, and then there you go. Next is we have some settings right here that you can also customize, like minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and combinations. So feel free to customize these settings out. And then lastly, we have active dates. So in here, you can set start dates and end dates for your discount. So just input the dates here, and of course the start time and the end time of your discount. And then once you're done, just simply click on save discount. And after that, you'll also get a shareable link right here at the very top so that you can promote your discount code via email or social media to your customers. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Shopify for specialty tea. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.